Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So this today, guys, is the final and last video I'm doing on my 2021 Ram 2500. This truck has been an awesome truck for 3 years. No issues whatsoever, but at this juncture in my life, I really don't need it anymore due to just, I'm relocating like for my job and stuff like that. So the mileage is a lot more, and right now diesel prices are outrageous where I'm paying a week like $1.25 on average. So at this juncture it's really not cost effective. But something happened to me this morning. Today we're coming down to, it's like a couple days before the end of March, and it was like 25 degrees this morning. So I got ready to go to the gym, and I'm a pretty early riser. So I come outside and I hear the truck, like it's, I remote started it. And normally what happens is the cabin heats up really, really nice, which means the idle increases on the truck. So I come outside and I don't even hear it, like it's idling like it's warm. And I just started. I'm like, yo, what the heck is going on? I get in the truck, the seats are freezing, the steering wheel is still cold. And I'm like, normally this stuff would come on because the truck senses how cold it is and it would turn all that stuff on by itself. All of a sudden I look at the dash and it's like 109 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm like, 109 degrees? It's telling me the outside temperature is 109 degrees while it's 25 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm like, yo, that's crazy. So then obviously I knew it was something to do with the ambient temperature sensor outside the truck. So back in the day, a lot of the temperature sensors used to be behind the grill, but this one isn't like that. So a little research, and that bad boy is right here. As you can see it, there's a little nodule right here. Okay, and that's it. So all you need really is a pry tool. Now guys, most of the times this sensor is just dirty, okay? Just be careful when you're taking this out, otherwise you can possibly break it. Okay, just take a pry tool, and I'll tell you what happened. At the gym, I'm like super OCD. I just pried it out real quick. It's that easy, okay? It's that easy. Now, if you notice right here, see that this little slide lock right here? All you gotta do is hold this and turn this portion counterclockwise, and it releases it, okay? Hold on a second. Okay, so it goes like this. That's it. Now, if you notice right here, the damn sensor is pretty freaking rusty if you look at it. Now, what I did was I had like a piece of paper towel in my car, and I just literally wiped the tip, okay? And when I was coming back home, because I'm home now, when I was coming back home, what happened is it ended up correcting itself. All of a sudden, it started off at like 100 and something degrees Fahrenheit, and it just jumped down all the way in like a minute. It went right down to like 42 degrees. It's like around 42, 41 degrees right now, but the windshield, it feels like it's like 30 degrees outside. So most of the time you will not need to replace it, but on the off chance you clean this and you need to replace it, okay, guys, I'm gonna link it in the description. It's a $15, it's actually $13 and some change on Amazon. I will link it, and it's literally a factory part. All the numbers match up. It's for the 2013 to 2022 Ram 2500, 1500, different years for different ones, like the 5500, things like that. Okay, it's gonna list it on there, and with tax and shipping, like I was gonna get it tomorrow morning. Okay, it was costing me, I think, $15 and change. So you can't beat this, and it's a very, very simple fix. And obviously, guys, to get it out, okay, there's this switch right here. Just press down and you could pop it out like that. It's very, very simple. Okay, so I'm gonna put this, actually I'm gonna take this out like this. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna take some brake cleaner and a piece of paper towel and clean this bad boy down real quick. Okay, hold on a second. Put some brake cleaner on the towel. Brake cleaner works wonders, guys. Works wonders. Just take your time with it. But obviously from all the rain, snow, salt, all of that stuff, you know, all that smog, stuff like that, guess what? Stuff gets dirty. It is what it is, you know what I mean? And just by cleaning it worked for me, okay? I'm not saying it's gonna work for everyone, but it definitely did work for me. It's very, very simple. So now I'm gonna put this bad boy back. Nice and easy. Just like that. Lock it. Now once you lock it, this tab goes in right there. And it ready? It clips in. Very, very simple. Easy to take out, easy to put back in. I didn't get a check engine light, which was cool. I'm super OCD when I notice this stuff. And in like 1 minute just driving, it ended up correcting itself. 1 second. Make sure. And in 1 minute, it ended up correcting itself. So some of you guys might get a check engine light. Some of you might not. You know what I mean? Obviously, if you get a check engine light after you clean it and you start driving it and it rectifies itself and the check engine light is still on, if you have an OBD scan tool, you can clear it or drive it for a while. It might clear itself, or just disconnect both negatives on the batteries because it's a dual battery system. Give it like a good 15-20 minutes and then let it reset itself, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? But it's a pretty simple fix. As I said, the part is like, I was getting next day delivery on Amazon for like 15 and change, almost 16 bucks. You can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? So definitely, guys, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. But it's a really, really simple fix for, you know, the DIY or whatever, so you don't have to go to the dealer and get freaking ripped off. Once again, guys, you know what I mean? It's a very sad, nostalgic time for me. You know what I mean? I love this truck. It's just that right now, in this juncture in my life, I really don't need it. You know what I mean? It's always good and nice to have a truck, but you know what I mean? I have other cars as well. So it's like, it didn't make sense for me to have it, and I'm a very practical person like that. So anyway, guys, fantastic for you guys joining me. Obviously, I'm going to introduce the other car I'm going to be getting. And once again, I love this truck. This diesel truck has been freaking awesome. It's a freaking beast. But, you know, sometimes, you know, you just got to part ways, man. And I'm a very nostalgic guy, especially the amount of work that I did. You guys can go on my channel. I show you guys how to change a lot of things, DIY, a lot of things, so you don't get ripped off, like changing the CCV, fuel filters, cleaning the EGR system, just a ton of stuff. But it's been a good run with this truck. And hopefully you guys learned something. I'll link the sensor in the description, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.